10 Best Passive Income Businesses 2024. Welcome to a world where financial freedom is within reach through the power of passive income. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or build wealth for the future, these passive income opportunities hold the key to unlocking your financial goals. Real estate investment. Real estate investment remains one of the most reliable and lucrative avenues for passive income generation. In 2024, savvy investors are leveraging various strategies, such as rental properties, real estate crowdfunding, and real estate investment trusts (REITs), to generate passive income from the appreciation and rental income of properties. Rental properties provide steady cash flow from tenants' monthly rent payments, while real estate crowdfunding allows investors to pool funds to invest in larger properties without the hassle of property management. REITs offer a hands-off approach to real estate investment, allowing investors to earn dividends from a diversified portfolio of properties without the need for direct ownership. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is another popular strategy for generating passive income. Dividend-paying companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends, providing investors with regular income streams without the need for active management. In 2024, investors are focusing on building diversified portfolios of dividend-paying stocks across various sectors, such as utilities, consumer goods, and technology. By reinvesting dividends and harnessing the power of compound interest, investors can accelerate their wealth accumulation over time, creating a reliable source of passive income for the future. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer (P2P) lending platforms have emerged as a popular alternative investment option for generating passive income. These platforms connect borrowers seeking loans with individual investors willing to lend money in exchange for interest payments. In 2024, P2P lending platforms offer investors the opportunity to earn attractive returns by lending money to creditworthy borrowers, while diversifying their investment portfolio. By leveraging technology to streamline the lending process and mitigate risk, P2P lending has become a viable option for investors seeking passive income opportunities. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a digital marketing strategy where individuals promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale or referral generated through their unique affiliate link. In 2024, affiliate marketing has become a popular passive income stream for content creators, bloggers, and social media influencers. By partnering with affiliate programs and promoting products or services that align with their audience's interests, affiliates can earn passive income through commissions on sales generated through their referral links. With the rise of e-commerce and online shopping, affiliate marketing offers endless opportunities for individuals to monetize their online influence and generate passive income from the comfort of their homes. Digital products. Creating and selling digital products is another lucrative passive income opportunity for entrepreneurs and creatives. In 2024, digital products such as ebooks, online courses, digital downloads, and software have become popular avenues for generating passive income. By leveraging their expertise and creativity, individuals can create digital products once and sell them repeatedly to customers worldwide. With minimal overhead costs and the potential for unlimited scalability, digital products offer a low-risk and high-reward passive income opportunity for those willing to invest the time and effort into creating quality content. Rental business. The sharing economy has revolutionized the way we consume goods and services, opening up new opportunities for passive income generation. In 2024, rental businesses are thriving as individuals capitalize on the demand for shared assets and experiences. From renting out spare rooms on platforms like Airbnb to leasing out equipment and vehicles through peer-to-peer rental platforms, individuals can monetize underutilized assets and generate passive income without the need for direct involvement in day-to-day operations. By tapping into the sharing economy, entrepreneurs can unlock new revenue streams and create sustainable passive income sources. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce fulfillment method where retailers sell products to customers without holding inventory. In 2024, dropshipping has emerged as a popular passive income opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to enter the world of online retail without the hassle of managing inventory or logistics. By partnering with dropshipping suppliers and marketing products through online storefronts or marketplaces, entrepreneurs can earn passive income through sales commissions, while suppliers handle order fulfillment and shipping. With the rise of e-commerce and the increasing demand for convenience, dropshipping offers a scalable and low-risk business model for generating passive income. Royalties and licensing. Royalties and licensing agreements offer creators and inventors the opportunity to earn passive income by monetizing their intellectual property. In 2024, individuals with artistic talents, creative skills, or innovative ideas can license their work to third parties in exchange for ongoing royalties or licensing fees. Whether it's licensing music, artwork, patents, or trademarks, individuals can generate passive income by allowing others to use their intellectual property for commercial purposes. By leveraging licensing agreements and royalty arrangements, creators can earn passive income while retaining ownership of their intellectual property rights. Cryptocurrency staking. Cryptocurrency staking is a process where individuals lock up their coins to support the operations of a blockchain network and earn rewards in the form of additional coins. In 2024, cryptocurrency staking has become a popular passive income opportunity for crypto enthusiasts looking to earn passive income through their digital assets. By staking cryptocurrencies in designated wallets or platforms, individuals can contribute to the security and decentralization of blockchain networks while earning rewards for their participation. With the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, and the increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies, staking offers a lucrative passive income opportunity for those willing to participate in the crypto ecosystem. Automated trading. Automated trading, also known as algorithmic trading or trading bots, involves using computer algorithms to execute trades automatically based on predefined criteria or trading strategies. In 2024, automated trading has become a popular passive income strategy for investors looking to capitalize on market opportunities without the need for active management. By leveraging advanced algorithms and artificial intelligence, automated trading systems can analyze market data, identify profitable trading opportunities, and execute trades with precision and speed. With the ability to trade 24/7 and react to market conditions in real time, automated trading offers a hands-off approach to generating passive income from the financial markets. The 10 best passive income businesses for 2024 offer individuals a diverse range of opportunities to generate ongoing income streams with minimal effort. Whether it's through real estate investment, dividend stocks, affiliate marketing, or cryptocurrency staking, there's a passive income opportunity for everyone willing to explore the possibilities and take action. By leveraging the power of passive income, individuals can achieve financial freedom, build wealth for the future, and live life on their own terms. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.